All right, let's get right into it. Math is a language. And when you know and understand the language, it makes math easier. Of course, you got to understand first and then you got to practice. So, coefficient is a vocabulary term in math, right? What is it? Well, in our case here, for scientific notation, it's the number before the times 10. And in this example, times 10 to the negative 7 value. So you can see here, 3.12 is our coefficient value. Exponents, another term. Well, the exponents here are highlighted in yellow. Negative 7, 3, negative 2 are examples of exponents. Standard form, right? So standard form, here we have 5,123,712, a very large number. And another number we have here is 0.000000000231. And standard form is just a normal way of writing numbers without the exponents. Now, scientific notation is taking these numbers and just converting them in a more condensed way, a smaller version of these very large and very small numbers, so you can work with them easier. All right, scientific notation form, right? We have our coefficients here, the times 10 with our exponential values. Again, this is a special way to write numbers with exponents. The standard form numbers that are very large or very small can be written in scientific notation that condenses and makes it short. And that's the whole purpose behind scientific notation. Decimals, right? What is a decimal? Well, the value here between these numbers is a decimal. 3.12, 1.01, 5.55. These are examples of decimals. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Oh, baby, we got a little shaking happening here today. I apologize for the shaking. Product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Oh, here we go. And quotient is the answer to a division problem.